keep hearing something in the wind. I keep coming back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again. Never going.
Hi friends. Hi my friends. So today I'm going to show you how to do a quick 10 minutes makeup look. Simple, easy, not 11, not 10 and a half, not 10 and quarter. 10 minutes makeup look. No hassle, no rush, wherever you are going. When you're going out, going to the restaurant, quick look, you know, like going to the store, even going to work. If you don't have time to get up, get ready. Lord knows I never have time to do anything. Really, I don't know if it's a thing with black people for reals, but yo, I'm always late. Like, you understand? I'm that late person, like. So if you're not like me, you won't be late. You get 10 minutes free time. Instead of sitting down, grab your brushes and let's get it going. So it's something simple. I'm just going to use, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows, use a little bit of foundation and a tiny bit of eyeshadow, but we're gonna make it look popping. Okay, it's gonna look. You're not even going to look that simple after I'm done in that 10 minutes. Okay, so what I'm going to do with my eyebrows, I'm not going to use pencils. I don't like the pencil. I see some people use the pencil. I don't like it. So I use eyeshadow. I use the brown one right here. And then I just fill in my eyebrow just to make it full. I don't use pencil.
Hit like a lightning bolt, deep in your heart, you know. We made it so far, you know we're two stars. Don't wanna miss the view of some paradise with you. There's nowhere too far, coming out the dark. I keep hearing something in the wind. I keep coming back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again. Never going back, just take my hand. I keep hearing back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again. Never going back, just take my hand. Just see us now, they wouldn't believe it how we made it this far. I think we're two stars. We could get on the road, breathe in and let it go. There's nowhere too far to find a new start. I keep hearing something in the wind. I keep coming back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again. Never going back, just take my hand.
Foundation, we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. This is a cheap makeup guide on Amazon, so that's what I'm going to use. We're going to keep it well simple. I'm gonna start with the light one right here on the top, and then we're gonna go down.
I miss the view of some paradise with you. There's nowhere too far, coming out the dark. I keep hearing something in the wind. I keep coming back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again. Never going back, just take my hand. I keep hearing something in the wind. I keep hearing something. I keep hearing something. I keep hearing something. Think I'm feeling something new again. Think I'm feeling something again. coming back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again. Never going back, just take my hand. Just see us now, they wouldn't believe it how we made it this far. I think we're two stars, we could get on the road, breathe in and let it go. There's nowhere too far to find a new start. I keep hearing something in the wind, I keep coming back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again.
Now we're gonna do my lashes. You still need a little bit mascara. Under the shiny backs video, well, two people commented, Farah, I hope you get yours and have a nice birthday. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my video. And so the other comment, she checked on Amazon and it was $125 or $120. Now I don't know why is this price, but it is $65. Like seriously, I just bought a box not too long ago. It was small. I feel like it was nothing in it. It really was only like literally 10 items this time. So I was like it was not as big as the first one. It was really small and it was only 10 items. This was part of it. This one, the eyeliner, and of course I got me another lip gloss thing. But it was like about like 10 items. I only paid $65 for it. When I went there and looked, it really was only 65 bucks. And I bought it not too long ago, last month I think, or this month. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you. And the shiny bags should really be the price, the $65. I don't know what happened, but I honestly only paid $65 for it. Happy birthday, Farah. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy it. If you don't have time to do anything, you can do this quick makeup look and you will still have a good time. So I don't want to do lashes, so I'm gonna add another mascara to make it more pop.
If they could just see us now, they wouldn't believe it how we made it this far. I think we're two stars, we could get on the road, breathe in and let it go. There's nowhere too far to find a new start. I keep hearing.
There you go, 10 minutes. Quick makeup look. So to make it look professional, I'm gonna add a little thing to it. Not too much. It's gonna keep it real simple. Get it look poppin'. So before I was interrupted, I was going to do my lip gloss. Didn't get a chance to do that. I was gonna put some lip gloss and I was going to do this. Last step of the process, putting this here will make the look so professional. It would look professional and nice, like you just did a whole hour of work when the whole time you only take 10 minutes for a quick eyeshadow and stuff like that. So the key is to keep the illusion going.
You know, we made it so far. You know we're two stars. Don't wanna miss the view of some paradise with you. There's nowhere too far. Coming out the dark. I keep hearing something in.
If you wanna do more, you can always, you know, do other stuff. I'm just gonna put some spray. So I'm just going to use a simple lipstick from Shani. There you go. just like that. I mean, you can put whatever color lipstick you want, but that's the one I use. It's so nice. That's pretty much it. Simple makeup look. Everything look nice. I like it. I don't even do a lot. I did not. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Show some love. Enjoy your day. We're done today, honey. Bye. I'll see you next time.